In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix image perspective in Photoshop quickly and easily. Perspective issues happen all the time, especially when you photograph buildings, products, documents, or anything shot at an angle. Lines that should be straight end up looking tilted or stretched, which can make an otherwise great photo look unprofessional. The good news is that Adobe Photoshop has built-in tools that let you correct perspective in just a few clicks. I'll show you the most common method using free transform and then a more precise method using the camera raw filter. Both are simple and extremely useful for photographers, designers, and content creators. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and practical Photoshop tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into Photoshop and start fixing that perspective. First, open your image inside Adobe Photoshop. In the Layers panel, make sure the layer containing your image is selected. This is important because the transformation tools will only apply to the active layer. Once the layer is selected, press Ctrl+T on your keyboard. This activates the free transform tool, and you'll see a bounding box appear around your image. Now right-click anywhere inside the image area to open the transform options menu. From the list of options, click on Perspective. As soon as you select perspective mode, you'll be able to adjust the corner handles of the image. Now grab one of the corner handles and start dragging it slowly. As you move the corner inward or outward, Photoshop will adjust the perspective of the image. The goal here is to straighten lines that should appear vertical or horizontal. For example, if you're fixing a photo of a building where the sides are leaning inward, you can drag the top corners outward until the building edges appear straight again. Take your time while adjusting so the correction looks natural. Small movements usually give the best results. If needed, you can adjust multiple corners until everything looks balanced and aligned. Once you're happy with the correction, simply press Enter on your keyboard to apply the transformation. Your image perspective will now be fixed. Now let's look at a second method that gives you more precise control, especially for architectural photography or product images. Go to the top menu and click on Filter, then choose Camera Raw Filter. This will open the Camera Raw workspace inside Photoshop. On the right side, look for the Geometry tab. Inside this section, you'll find several perspective correction sliders. The two most important ones are vertical and horizontal. The vertical slider helps correct images where buildings appear to lean forward or backward. The horizontal slider fixes images that appear tilted left or right. Slowly move these sliders and watch how the lines in your image start to straighten. Camera Raw also provides a grid overlay that can help you align edges more accurately. Adjust the sliders until the important lines in your photo look straight and natural. Once everything looks correct, click OK to apply the changes and return to Photoshop. And that's how you fix image perspective in Photoshop using two simple methods. The free Transform Perspective tool is great for quick adjustments, while the Camera Raw geometry controls give you more precise corrections when you need them. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.